how to make your kick stream look better. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make your kick stream look better, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to make your kick stream look better, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go to kick.com and you will see this type of interface where you can simply click the profile icon from the top right. Now you can actually go to channel and customize a couple of your channel settings such as the about, videos, clips and chat. After you've done that, assuming that let's say you use OBS Studio for streaming, because there are many platforms you can use. In this case, let's say I'm using OBS Studio for streaming over here. You can simply set up scenes, select your source, select your audio mixture, and you can go to settings as well. You can customize other of those output and audio settings to just make your kick stream look better. It all really depends upon what platform you're using and how you're customizing the settings. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.